Hello everybody, my name is Ian Lamont and I'm the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including the just released Social Security in 30 Minutes by author Emily Pogue. And Emily, when she was writing this two-volume set, she talked about using Social Security's online services to kind of get access to information and access to information about your account. And if you're getting ready to apply for Social Security, whether it's disability benefits like SSI or SSDI or your retirement benefits, this is how you get started. So you'll need to, first of all, go to a website called ssa.gov. If you're searching for Social Security on Google or any other service, be very careful that you're clicking on a .gov URL. Do not click on other URLs that may look like they're official, but they're not. Sometimes they'll have Social Security in the name. They may be fake. They may be trying to trick you. What you want is ssa.gov. And it should say, in Google, it should say United States Social Security Administration. Click on that. You'll come to a website. The URL will say www.ssa.gov. This is the one that you want. It should look something like this, although the pictures may change from time to time. This is the official Social Security website. SSA stands for Social Security Administration, and this is where you need to go if you want to sign up. If you want to learn, first of all, learn about retirement benefits or disability benefits or other things like Medicare enrollment, or to sign up for them. And this is how you sign up for them. On the right side of the page, you'll see a link that says sign in or sign up. Click on that. You want My Social Security. And as Emily said in her book, Social Security in 30 Minutes, this is kind of like the central area where you can really manage your benefits. You can do things like change bank accounts where you might be depositing something. You may find out if there's a delay for some reason or if there's an increase for some other reason. So click on that and you'll come here. And if you're looking at this video, you probably don't have a username and password already. This is how to get started. Go to create your account. Information you will need. So you must be able to verify some information about yourself and have a valid email address, have a Social Security number, have a U.S. mailing address, and be at least 18 years of age. And of course, if it's retirement benefits you're looking at, you're going to be a lot older than 18 years of age. Note that you cannot create an account on behalf of another person using another person's information or identity, even if you have that person's written permission. So there's lots of fail-safes here and warnings about what not to do. And just keep in mind that this is for the benefit of you and the person maybe you're trying to help. And if you have trouble with this particular issue, like let's say that you're helping somebody apply for disability benefits and maybe they're not able to do it completely on their own, you should probably contact the Social Security Administration and find out the best way to do it. When I say contact, actually pick up the phone, call them up, or visit the local Social Security office to talk to them in person on how to handle that. So anyways, read through this stuff, then click Create a New Account. And, you know, as is typical for a lot of government bureaucracies, there's going to be a lot of text and things you need to agree to, and then processes that are involved. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to read this through until you understand it, then say, I agree to the terms of service, and continue on your way. This may take a long time to do. And actually, I have to be honest, the first time I tried to do this for myself, they stopped me and said I had to contact the Social Security Administration in person. I actually had to go down to the office to do something and bring a lot of paperwork with me. And that may happen for you as well. I'm not telling this to make you feel despair, but just to tell you that it's not quite the same as like signing up for an Amazon account or signing up for a Gmail account, where you can basically do that in about 2 or 3 minutes. Social Security, ssa.gov, there's a lot more steps involved. And actually a lot of this is explained in the book that we just released, Social Security in 30 Minutes, which talks about kind of best practices for dealing with the Social Security Administration. If you have to call them up or if you have to visit their office in person. For more information about Social Security, of course, the first place to go is the ssa.gov. Oops. Just type in ssa.gov or search for it on Google and make sure you're going to ssa.gov. This has lots of information on the program. The book that we've created simplifies a lot of that information, makes it more digestible, and kind of explains in plain English how to use these particular services. For more information, go to in30minutes.com or go to socialsecurity.in30minutes.com. And thank you so much for watching.